This video provides information on what to do when you've been called back to work. You may be called back to work or find a new job while receiving reemployment assistance benefits. You can continue to request benefit weeks up to the week in which you start working. When you request the week that overlaps with your return to work, indicate that you worked and earned money during the week. If you expect to work full-time and/or earn more than your weekly state benefit amount during the week that overlaps, you do not need to request benefits for that week. If you currently receive reemployment assistance benefits and no longer wish to receive benefits or are no longer eligible, you do not need to claim your weeks. Payments will stop processing if weeks stop being claimed. Please note that if you return to work, but you have not yet received the reemployment assistance benefits for which you were eligible during your time of unemployment, payments will still be made to your account for the weeks you are eligible. Also note that if your employer has called you back to work and you do not return to work, you may be disqualified from receiving further reemployment assistance benefits. Any wages you earn may affect your eligibility to receive benefits or may reduce your weekly benefit amount. If you earn more than your weekly state benefit amount, you will not be eligible for benefits. Continue to claim your weeks in Connect and report any wages you earn. Remember, report wages for the week in which you earn them, not the week in which you are paid. If you need more help, we encourage you to reach out to your local public library. Public libraries can help with many things, including letting you use a computer, printer, copier, scanner, or fax machine. Some libraries also have staff available who may be able to help guide you through the application process. Find your local library at myfloridalibrary.com. You can also contact the Florida Department of Economic Opportunity for assistance. We hope that you have found this information useful. Visit our YouTube channel for more videos on applying for reemployment assistance benefits in Florida.